Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Candid. I am Purvit and I am honored to welcome my young entrepreneur Shantanu Naidu, whose journey beautifully blends with compassion, innovation, and leadership. From designing reflective corners to protect stray dogs to becoming the millennial who won Ratan Tata's heart. He wrote a book based on the friendship he had with Ratan Tata. He has shown us that age is no barrier to impact. So let's join our hands together for Shantanu Naidu. Welcome, sir, to our show. Sir, please sit. Okay, thank you for your warm introduction. It is a privilege to be here. My pleasure, sir. How are you? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Sir, it's almost a month now since we lost Mr. Tata. Shantanu sir, how are you holding up? It is challenging for me. So the world feels quieter as he was not just a mentor but a friend to me. Sir, how would you describe Ratan Tata in a few words? A few words will be not enough to describe him, but if I had to, he was a kind, compassionate, and a driven man. But how did your friendship start? Friendship! We had common interests. Our bond grew with our love towards animals. Sir, it can be said, or I can say, or given by some people, but he was a privileged person while others say he faced several challenges. Sir, what is your take in this subject? For someone to really understand struggles, we have to go back to his childhood and walk on his steps. Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be to the inspiring story of a man who refined Indian industry, who believed in values over profit, and who turned dreams into realities. The one and only Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata was born in a prominent Tata family. Even though he came from a privileged background, his life was easy. Let's take a look. Well, I want to talk to you. Not now, sorry. I'm extremely busy in a project. I shall talk to you in the evening. You know what? Let's drop the conversation. You are always busy with your meetings, works. मेरे लिए तो कभी time ही नहीं होता my pass. And now, don't study the game. Ratan घर पे है, and I don't want to fight with you in front of our children. So please, just leave it. What? You just want me to just leave? के चली जाती हूँ। तुम्हारी जिंदगी से मैं आज ही तक घर छोड़ के जा रही हूँ। You stay happy to walk. What? ये तुम क्या बोल रही हो? You heard it right. I think हमें डिवोर्स ले लेना चाहिए। शादी तो बस अब नाम की बात रह गई है। अब आप डिवोर्स तक आ गया। ठीक है फिर, अगर तुम नहीं चाहती हो तो मैं तुम्हें नहीं रोकूंगा। मुझे भी लगता है कि हमें रोज रोज के ड्रामे से छुटकारा पा लेना चाहिए। हाँ, मुझे भी आपसे छुटकारा पा लेना चाहिए। हाँ, हमें डिवोर्स ले लेना चाहिए। Dad, why are you fighting? Ratan, go and pack your bag. You are going to your grandma's house. तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं रहना है। और from now on, are both mom and dad. Mama, what is Papa saying? When Ratan Tata's mother, Soni Tata, left the home, he experienced significant emotional distress. Her absent parent can profoundly impact a child's sense of security and stability. Ratan Tata has spoken about the challenges he faced in his personal life, including his complicated relationship with his parents. His mother may have been departure, contributing resilience and determination, shaping him into the person he is today. बेटा रतन, खाना खा लो। कितने दिन तुम ऐसे ही सताओगे? तुम्हारी पूरी जिंदगी पड़ी हुई है। ऐसा नहीं करते बेटा, खाना खा लो। मेरी मम्मी मुझे छोड़ के क्यों गई? क्या मैं इतना बुरा हूँ? क्या मैंने कुछ गलत किया है? नहीं बेटा, तुमने कोई गलती नहीं की है। मेरी मम्मी मेरे से प्यार नहीं करती। ऐसा नहीं है बेटा, तुम्हारी मम्मी को जाना पड़ा, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो तुमसे प्यार नहीं करती। अगर प्यार करती भी है तो मुझे छोड़ के क्यों कर? कुछ प्रश्नों का उत्तर नहीं होता है बेटा। तुम अब बहुत छोटे हो, लेकिन आगे जो भी होगा तुम्हारी दादी तुम्हारे साथ है, और अब से तुम्हारी दादी और तुम्हारी माँ दोनों मैं हूँ। अब चलो खाना खा लो। After divorce settled, the house was quiet, almost too quiet. Ratan was once caught in angry words and silent dinners, now found comfort in the gentle presence of Daddy. Bit by bit, Ratan began to speak, not out of pain, not yet, but out of the little things. His school, his dreams, the books he loved, and Daddy listened with patient eyes, never rushing or judging him. Slowly, the heaviness in Ratan's chest began to lift. Daddy, I want to be like my grandfather. He is a great person. Everyone respects him. Do you know why everyone respects your grandfather? Yes, because he is a big businessman and we are rich, isn't it? No. So, your Baladi has established various institutes and trusts on focusing on education, healthcare, and community development. Now, Ratan, I want you to continue his legacy. Remember your roots, Ratan. India is our nation, and serving your country is the virtue of a person's life. Ratan, with great power comes with great responsibility. Remember, my child. I will remember this, Daddy. Excuse me, Bhaiya. Yes? Can you tell me your role here? My role? Yes. Oh, I'm just a simple worker here. I work for this police operations. Police operations? That's crucial. What are some of the challenges that you face? Well, sometimes these equipments can be temperamental, so we need to be careful not to overload it. न्यू वर्कर मेरा को तो बहुत बढ़िया दिया तुमको अंदर हाँ ये तो रेस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया है यू नीड प्रॉपर गेस्ट टू कम हियर जाओ पहले जाके मशीन का काम सीख के आओ कोई भी चलाता है मुंह उठा के आई एम सॉरी भैया आगे से ध्यान रखूंगा Hey, have you seen the new guy? Yes, he's working along us on Friday. Arey! He is no worker. He is Mr. Ratan Tata, the grandson of J.R.D. Tata. What? Ratan Tata? मेरा जॉब तो गया अब मैं क्या करूं भाई बोल ना जाने में क्या क्या बोल बैठा मान लो मुझसे क्या बोल दिया उनको तुमने भाई मैंने तो उनको बेसिकली इतने जोन से भगा दिया यार क्या जोन से भगा दिया क्या किया तू एक काम कर तू यहाँ से जा पैक योर बैग्स इससे पहले कि वो तेरे को निकाल दे एटलीस्ट तेरी इज्जत तो बचेगी है ना तुम लोग चुप हो जाओ मैंने आज उनको मिला था वो इतने भी बुरे इंसान नहीं है सर यू शुड नॉट बी क्यों नहीं I am also a worker for the day. But sir, you are Ratan Tata. I am Ratan Tata, but I am also a learner. I want to know your perspectives, your challenges. Sir, it's an honor to have you sit with us. The honor is mine. Let's enjoy our lunch together. Ratan Tata's heart is filled with compassion every day. He values his worker employees, treating them like a family. His leadership is built on trust, respect, and care, with a genuine interest on their well-being. Ratan Tata goes beyond business, supporting their growth and development. He listens, understands, and acts, fostering a sense of belonging. His people-centric approach has created a loyal and dedicated workforce. Then the time came when Ratan Tata was going to launch his first vision of the Indica car in 15 January 1998, and this product was going to give Ratan Tata a good and a key-changing moment to make Tata our biggest player in every field. Sir, with due respect, I want to present my market report about our newly launched car, Tata Indica. The sales have declined rapidly. What? Yes, sir. Somehow we have negative feedback all over the market about our car. Gentlemen, any specific reason for this? This is really an alarming situation. Mr. Natarajan, do you want to add something?
See, sir, our engineers are expert in truck building, but they have a lack experience about passenger cars. तो ऐसा ही होना था. Our cars have some pretty major problems, which why the consumers are not motivated to buy. So, sir, I would suggest you to contact some passenger car companies to implement their technology. And in my opinion, Ford, it will be the best choice.
You are right. We need a collaboration. This is my fault. I need to understand the Indian markets in depth. Sir, should I arrange a meeting with Mr. Ford? Yes, immediately. Yes, sir. In 1999, Ratan Tata visited Bill Ford, seeking a partnership after the Tata Indica faced early struggle. Mr. Bill, today I am here to talk to you about our newly launched car, Indica. We are actually struggling with the sales and we are hoping to collaborate with Ford. Oh, I see. Sir, don't mind for the things I am going to say now. But before you came, we analyzed your car with my team. But hard to tell you this, your car is horrible. Sorry, I don't understand what you mean. Sir, you heard it right. Yes, after testing your car, I personally feel your team has a lack of knowledge to make a passenger car. Well, Mr. Bill, thanks for a suggestion. But we Indians believe in hard work and we don't accept favors. So our team decided not to collaborate with Ford. We don't need any favors. Thank you. Gentlemen, let's leave. Come quick. Thank you for your generosity. You saved us and for your day. It's fine, Jim. You don't need to thank me. Your car company Jaguar and Land Rover from now serve Tata Group. Sir, we have good news. We just received a call from the Buckingham Palace. Sir, you are invited by Prince John. They are hosting a prestigious award ceremony for your philanthropic work. They are asking for a confirmation, sir. That's a very great news. Confirm them, Lina, that I will be attending the event. Okay, sir, I'm okay. Okay, Mr. Bill, you carry on. I'm ready now.
Mr. B, should I say something?
Yes, sure.
Do you remember, sir, few years back we came to you seeking for help, but you humiliated us. And now look how the tables have turned. Now you are seeking for help from us. And Ratan said he did not even think twice before helping you. He can teach you the same, but he did not. Every day I look at him, and I am very surprised. How can be a person so kind and generous? And do you know, Mr. B? He donated 60% of his wealth and eventually contributed to the economic development of the country. I can go on and on, sir, but the list does not end.
Today, Ratan Tata sir is no more with us, but he left behind a legacy. Let's live on. Our legacy is not just of building businesses, but of building a better India. He transformed lives by creating jobs, uplifting communities, and always leaving us with compassion. And I go to the global ventures from steel to software, from to healthcare. Ratan Tata proved that success and kindness can bring minds and transforming lives. That was his mission. And now today it becomes our responsibility. Thank you so much, Santanu sir. Today our audience has learned so much about Mr. Ratan Tata. So, my dear audience, let's celebrate the legacy of Ratan Tata sir and follow his footsteps. Stay tuned to the Candid Tech Show. We will meet again, same time, same show with a new personality.